Pacific Standard Time. At 6:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ojai to near Ventura Harbor, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, automated wind sensors in Santa Barbara County indicating gusts of 60 miles an hour. Law enforcement reported wind damage. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oxnard, Ventura, Camarillo, Fillmore, Ojai, Moore Park, Santa Paula, Port Hueneme, Point Mugu State Park, Newberry Park, Ventura Harbor, Miners Oaks, Lake Casitas, Solimar Beach, Naval Base Ventura County, Highway 33 between Wheeler Springs and Rose Valley Road, Somis, El Rio, Seacliff, and Silver Strain Beach. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.